Hi everyone! Welcome po sa video natin ngayon at ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay backtesting at saka forward testing. Ano yung differences at saka paano mo sila magagawa pareho. So, again, I'm Forex Coach Jonathan Lu and kung hindi pa po kayo nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel ngayon at di nakaka-like sa video, please do so para lalo pa tayo makagawa ng mga ganito in the future. Alright, so unahin muna natin, no? Ano ang backtesting at saka forward testing? You hear that a lot whenever we trade, no? Pagdating sa forex market, stock market, whatever, you will always hear back testing and forward testing. So, kapag meron na po tayong trading plan, meron na tayong strategy, no? Maybe you got it from somewhere else or you came up with it on your own, kailangan subukan muna natin yan para sigurado tayong mas magiging effective siya sa market. So, the first thing that traders normally do is to backtest it. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng backtest? Backtest is susubukan mo yung trading plan na yon o yung strategy na yon sa charts na tapos na. No? So, ibig sabihin, iti-test natin coming from 2019 all the way to 2020, no, or 2021, no, or maybe even today. So iti-test mo siya, no, gamit yung data na tapos na. All right? So there's a couple of ways for you to do that. No, you can do that manually or you can automate it a little bit. Later we'll check those out. Now, yung forward testing naman on the other hand, it is testing the strategy during a live market. So, ibig sabihin, hindi tapos na data yung gagamitin natin. Ang gagamitin natin, current data. So, we're already going to implement and we're going to trade the plan already. No? So, normally, sisimulan mo muna yan sa demo account, no? Yung forward testing mo. Or pwede mo ring simulan sa isang maliit na live account, which honestly, I do suggest you try it out on a small live account kung kaya, ha? Kasi kapag fino-forward test mo yan during using a demo account, madalas tinatamad yung mga traders, no? Kahit ako nararamdaman ko yan. So, especially if nakatikim ka na kasi live account, medyo boring na sa'yo yung demo account, no? So, minsan hindi mo na natitrigger yung trades, hindi ka na ganun ka religious, no, sa pag-follow ng plan. Okay, so anyway, going back, no, let's start with backtesting first. So, yung backtesting, again, we are using past data to check kung magiging effective ba yung strategy na yan or hindi. So, there are a couple of sources that you can get that from. Meron tayong, unang-una, I think it's the most readily available source for everyone. Meron tayo sa MetaTrader platform natin. So, ayan. So, I'm showing you our MetaTrader platform right now. Then, makikita nyo meron kayong strategy tester po dito. So, if you open that up, lalabas tong window na to na makikita nyo sa may ilalim. Alright, so you have your strategy tester over here. Now, you can play around with this one, no? You can be, a little bit more advanced if you like. Pwede nyo pag-aralan to. But for the meantime, no, just for testing sake, ilagay na lang muna natin tong expert na to na moving average, no? It's like one of the default ones. Tapos, pinili ko na symbol is Euro USD. Okay? Tapos, sinet ko muna siya at H1. Okay, yan yung ano natin, candlesticks natin. And then you have your date here, forward, no, and then you have, a couple of more details. Nilagay ko na lang dito yung modeling natin every tick para talagang gumagalaw yung market. Okay? And then I clicked yung visual mode, no, with display of charts, indicators, and trades so that you can, you can practice with it, no, kasi yan that's the actual point of it. All right. So, again, this is manual testing yung gagawin natin. Okay, so you plug in all the chart stuff that you want on your charts. So just click start para lumabas muna siya. Alright, so ayan. So yan yung makikita nyo, gumagalaw na actually yung price. So from there, you can already practice eh. Pwede mo siya i-slow down, pwede mo pabagalin yung ticks, okay? Or pwede mong pabilisan, okay? So you can make it faster, up to you, okay? So you can pause it, you can stop, no, you can play it again, you can zoom in, zoom out, pretty much everything that you can do uh, for a live market. No? So mapapractice mo na yan. So if you have like, a couple of things that you want to add there, pwede naman, no? Palitan mo yung templates. Let's try clean RSI. Okay. And then we play around. So, ayan. Meron ka ng template dun sa ano mo. Sa, kunwari, may mga indicators ka na kailangan. You can just, put the template in and you're done. Okay. Para dun sa mga hindi familiar kung paano ilagay yung template, side note lang. Okay. So, let's say, balik tayo dito sa MetaTrader platform natin. Okay? Meron kang mga indicators sa gusto ilagay. Sabihin natin, lagay mo si RSI. Lagay natin si, sino pa ba? Ichimoku, lagay natin. Oh, yan, si Ichimoku para mo talaga magulo. Alright, and you want this one. So you just right-click anywhere on your charts and then you go to templates and then you just click save template. Okay? The save mo lang siya as whatever you want. And pagdating mo dito sa tester part, no, you can just go to charts and then apply mo lang yung templates. Okay? So, ayan. From there, matitest mo na siya manually, no? So, for example, uy, parang bumaba na yata to, no? Tapos, pag natapos yung candlestick, magsisell na ba ako dyan? Magbabay, no? So, depende doon sa actual strategy mo, right? And, that's good data. It's an excellent way to test your strategies and your skills. And it comes free. Libre lang siya. So, ito yung sinasabi ko na pinaka-accessible sa atin, no, na paraan. Now, meron tayong mga third-party sources that you may want to check out, no? Again, hindi to from PAFTI. These are just some of the stuff that we used to use before, and you might benefit from it as well. So, meron tayong FX Blue. Similar siya doon sa My FX book natin na napag-usapan in our previous video. And you can hook up your account here as well. It can analyze a lot of details for you. Okay yan. And in addition to that, meron yang search nyo na lang sa website nila. Nasa homepage lang naman yan. Meron yan FX Blue Trading Simulator for MT4 or MT5. So you can actually just download it and it becomes a whole tool, no? Na kumbaga sinisimulate niya yung ano mo, yung strategy mo. You can, buy, you can sell, may lalabas ng mga data, kung naging profitable ka or hindi. Kasi dun sa pag-manual way natin kanina, bibilangin mo, isusulat mo talaga. Kanwari, okay, nag-sell ako dito. Okay, kumita ako ng 20 pips, 30 pips. Manually mo ilalagay. Ito hindi na. No? So, it kinda does it for you. It's significantly better. So, try nyo. No? Hindi ko na i-discuss paano siya gamitin pero may mga tutorials naman yan. So, you can do your own research on that. Meron din kami ginagamit sa PAFTI. If you notice doon sa ating mga live sessions, we have some sort of simulator that we use. What we're using there is the Forex Tester. No? Sa ngayon, Forex Tester 5 yung pinaka-updated nila. So, we got that as well. Kaya yun yung ginagamit po natin sa ating mga live sessions. No? So, this is pricier. No? Kasi bayad to plus may data yan na binabayaran din price feed, no? So if you want, if you have a lot of money to spend for it, you want to make it better, you can also go for third party sources kagaya niyan. Okay? So yan po yung ating backtesting. Okay? So ngayon naman, pag-usapan lang natin ng konti yung forward testing. No? Yung forward testing, it's just simple and straightforward. What I suggest is that you can have a specific demo account to test your strategy, no, that you came up with. Okay? So, test mo siya talaga live. Pag-aralan mo yung market, no, you implement the trades, let's see if it's good or not. Better yet, no, kung maka-open kayo ng small na live account, no, there are micro accounts that you can use. Yan, kahit ang liit lang ng capital nyo, $30, $50, so you can already test it out, $100. Makatest na kayo ng mga strategies dyan, no, mapapahaba nyo na yun. Okay? And take note that whenever you're testing strategy, especially during forward testing, hindi natin aim na kumita. Okay? Kasi may mga iba excited kagad eh. No? Tinetest mo pala yung strategy mo, ine-expect mo na kagad nakikita tayo. Hindi ho you are testing the strategy. So we are actually expecting a lot of shortcomings, a lot of losses, no? In-expect natin na hindi ganun kaganda kagad yung performance kasi pagagandahin pa natin siya. Yun nga yung point bakit mo siya tinitest okay? So, if it's already workable and profitable, then good for you, apir-apir, no? Pero hindi laging ganun yung nangyayari. Okay? So, that's why you have to have the patience and you have to understand that the point of that account is for you to test the strategy, hindi para kumita. Okay? So, pag nagkaroon kayo losses, huwag tayong emotional with it. Kasi tinetest mo Kapag maraming talo, ibig sabihin, hindi okay yung strategy. Tweak mo, baguhin mo, adjust mo. No? Tapos i-test mo ulit. So, give it a lot of time for it to work out yung strategies natin. Hindi yung tipong test mo ng 1 linggo, 2 linggo, tapos na agad. Hindi. No? It will take you weeks, months for you to be able to get good data kung workable ba talaga yung strategy o hindi. No? And take note, we want to test it across different market conditions, no? Kunwari, yung market condition ngayon, trending yung market, no? Risk on siya or risk off. Okay yan, no? Pero paano pag nagpalit yung market condition? Paano pag mababa yung liquidity sa market, no? Masyadong volatile yung market, no? Tapos wala masyadong nagtitrade, no? Walang mga big institutions behind it, naghihintayan. Would the strategy work well, no? Would it defend you? Would it protect you from a lot of bad trades, no? So diyan mo makikita ngayon pagdating sa forward testing. All right. So it's very important for us to test our strategies before you go live with a proper account, no? Huwag kayong maglalagay kagad ng $1,000, $5,000. So, tas iraran yung strategy na tinetest nyo pa lang. Huwag ganun, no? Especially, take note din, yung mga EAs na nakikita natin online, no? May mga nagbibigay ng services, okay din naman yun, no? As long as you know what the EA is for, what it does. But if you're just going to test it, wag muna sa malaking account. Litan nyo muna para sigurado muna tayo, no? And then you know when it's gonna perform well and not, para alam mo kung kailan mo siya i-on at i-off. Anyway, so that's back testing and forward testing. Hopefully, you guys got a lot from our video today. And don't forget to subscribe po sa ating channel at i-like po yung ating mga videos. And you can always request, no? Kung may mga gusto po kayong videos in the future. Join us sa ating mga live sessions, no? We always do that during Tuesdays and Thursdays around 9 p.m. At pwede natin gamitin dun yung mga forex testers, no? We can practice live. And hopefully we get to see you guys there. All right, bye-bye guys, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.